close to my side. This is my right-hand man, guys. If that's not a farmer's vehicle, I don't know what is. So, we have all the stuff to make a HABABIAT. Alright, we've got the straw. These are so light.
Are they?
Compared to hay. I need 2, 4, 8. Yeah, we'll probably need all of them. So yeah, grab the other post. We can. Yeah, we'll take everything out.
Oh, why?
There. You got the post. Yeah, brand new post pounder.
Yep.
Yeah, I got a brand new post pounder. You can thank my kids for that because we can't find the old post pounder. You know, maybe you can't blame the kid. Maybe it's my blame because now I got thinking about it. I think the last time we used it, we were sitting in them rockets from the 4th of July. Remember putting them rockets in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Should we do that again?
Yeah, that's fun. All right, here. So, what would you call this game? Playing HABABIAT setup? That's good. Good job, buddy. Let's do the next corner. Let's do a 25.
I got one.
Justice, what are you stuck on? There. Oh. There. The kid who's into everything.
Now, okay, let's zip tie.
Okay.
See, we're even using zip ties just to show you kind of how you never do this if it's permanent, because in a year the zip tie will rot off and break. So you hold this for me?
Close?
Yes.
I think it's gonna take hold like here.
Up, film. They were going to land in my field. They would have landed in my field if we weren't here. They were setting their wings and then they saw us and they back flapped. That's cool.
Can I say how many we hit?
Oh, 100 subscribers.
Guess what, guys? We hit 100 subscribers.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We're excited about that. That's a big deal. Come up here. That's a big deal to us. We hit 100 subscribers and we're very excited. And to show our appreciation, we're giving away. Pause. Time out. Over here. Let's get the hay out of it. It's not this hat. This isn't the hat, but it's like this hat. This is done by QTs by Carolyn, and she has agreed to help celebrate our 100 subscriber, and so she's donated a hat of your picking, of your choosing. So you can go to her Facebook.
Okay, so just we'll leave the link in the description for these hats. You can go on and pick which hat you want. So we're gonna do a drawing for that.
Yes, we'll do a drawing for that. And how you enter into this drawing is, 1, you have to be a subscriber. 2, just in the comment section, just write the word hat. That's spelled H-O-T.
H-A-T.
Just write the word hat, H-A-T, in the comment, and we'll put your name. Your name automatically pops up in the comment section. We'll just take your name and we'll put it in this brand new hat, double D hat. And we'll draw it in the next video that comes out. So if you want an opportunity to get the hat, write the word hat in the comment section.
Hey, good morning everyone. So we have a really busy day this morning. Last night we were working on the rabbit habitat and we weren't able to get it finished because it got too dark. So this morning we have to hurry and tear down a gate that Dusty's doing. Hurry and run down to the farm, hurry and get that done. That's all part of homesteading. You do what you need to do.
Good morning. So this is the next day, and we didn't have enough time last night to finish this. We got to right here. We dug the hole last night, and now I'm burying this post. I'll hang the gate right here, and then we'll finish this section here. So we're almost done, but we have to leave in like 2 hours to go get the rabbit. So I got up pretty early this morning and beat the sun up and try to get this done so the rabbits aren't waiting as long when we get home. It's kind of how I roll. I'm a procrastinator. The gate is hung. Now we need to get some wire. Obviously the rabbit's gonna hop through there, so we'll have to wire this up and put another T-post right here. Wire it, we're done.
Awesome.
Then we go get the rabbits.
We got the wire all up on the gate, so the rabbits can't get out, and then just cutting the wire off.
Yeah, cutting it off, so there. Now they can't jump through the bar.
Very good.
I'm watching. Sweet. So I think we're done, other than we got this little hole right here to fix.